Hello, I got another freight train coming past from Massborough Station Yard to Sutton West Oxbow 109. We'll buy another Freightliner Class 66. There is two more, but we can't see them because one's 21 minutes early. Supposed to come in before. This one's going really fast. DB66 186 Oh, DB66. Couldn't tell the rear one, but there was another 66 on the back. Couldn't tell what number that was, but there goes the Massborough Station Yard to Sutton West Oxbow 109 by 66 186, and I couldn't tell what the rear one was, but let me know please, Ryan. Bye.